Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Jaguar XF battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Safety is paramount, so make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. The battery in a Jaguar XF is usually found in the trunk, often near the spare tire, but sometimes it can be under the hood. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first. This crucial step helps prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Next, disconnect the positive terminal and carefully remove any clamps or brackets holding the battery in place. Once everything is loose, you can carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Remember, car batteries are quite heavy, so lift with care. With the old battery removed, it's time to prepare for the new one. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connections thoroughly to ensure good contact. Position the new battery securely in the tray, making sure it's stable, and then reattach any hold-down clamps. When connecting the new battery, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Double-check that all connections are tight. You're almost done. Before closing everything up, confirm that all your connections are tight and the new battery is securely stable in its tray. Now, start your engine to verify that the new battery is operating correctly and that all your vehicle's electrical systems are functioning as they should. You might need to reset your windows or radio settings afterward. For more great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, be sure to look in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.